Are you getting Nintendo Switch error code 2107-0445? Then you are at the right place, as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the console. You mostly get the error code while starting up the Nintendo Switch console or while in a game. So, the first thing you can do to fix the error is to hold down the power button for 3 seconds. Select power options and then choose Restart. If the console is frozen or unresponsive, hold down the power button for 12 seconds to force it to shut down and then power it back on. Method 2. Check for system updates. Make sure your console has the latest system version installed. Sometimes updating the system software can fix various issues like this. Navigate to System Settings from the Home tab. Select the system. Next, select System Update. Once the update is complete, check if the issue is fixed. Method 3. Remove microSD card. If you are using a microSD card, power off the console and remove the card. Then check if the issue improves. If you do not get the error, then check if your microSD card is compatible with your device. The supported microSD cards are microSD up to 2 GB, microSD HC 4 GB to 32 GB, microSD XC 64 GB to 2 TB. For an improved gameplay experience, it's recommended to use a microSD card with a higher transfer speed, specifically UHS-I, Ultra High Speed Phase 1, compatible transfer speed 60 to 95 MB per second. The higher the transfer speed is, the better will be the gameplay experience. You can check if the microSD card is compatible from this source. Method 4. Charge the Switch. Connect your AC adapter to the Nintendo Switch and wait for 15 to 20 minutes to ensure the battery charges sufficiently. Once the Nintendo Switch is fully charged, check if it is working as expected. If not, then go to the next solution. Method 5. Hard reset the Switch. Hard reset restarts the console and clears the temporary data without affecting the game saves or your personal settings. Here is how to do that. Unplug the AC adapter from the Nintendo Switch and the wall outlet. Keeping the adapter unplugged, then press the power button once to turn on the console. Method 6. Contact Nintendo support. If you have tried all methods shown in this video and the error persists, you might need to consider repairing your Nintendo Switch. You can book a repair through Nintendo's official support page. Describe your issue and follow the on-screen instructions provided to fix the error code. And there you have it. The methods to fix Nintendo Switch error code 2107-0445. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.